Hi, GC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. So when you subscribe to the channel now, message say over subscribe. We are be say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. We are the latest news. We are on sa ever can be. I feel we are now while I give you my thumbs up. Now feel share my offer so na onye bi na war share. As I say had the latest and hot news in Ghana the Bremo afi yonko sini. Kweku Annan the document dia tuga. The moon ceremony be who ye papa. Then you buy way so. Now some woman know what say Kweku Oteng Angel Broadcasting Network. Kweku Oteng or adonko. Say pa wana bo atohoye national security. One year forensic audit to ye because the way an human anyone one person one business massive. Now document Kweku Annan dia to them who ye pa. The bill say national security for year forensic audit. No one for reporting that. Na ya hwede we numa ne koda na kyese adonko na wo ye no won be fit mu akwa de ku marketing mu na odwu ho a wonti ase ohun bone aye Kweku Dr. Kweku Oteng ade aye Akufo Addo na ba gabu mu na ne mu na yesem ye no kuti aye Kweku Annan said you what is a document ngira etuga a wo bomu nsem no emu hu ye pa yetie Kweku Annan said what aye nsem we ngira tuga a wo tutu bi mane Akufo Addo na ba yeti nsem a ekoso yeti no.
The supersonic rise of the Angel Broadcasting Network.
Great. Now you drew another topic. Or say the supersonic rise of the Angel Broadcasting Network, ABN, is worrying. Why are Kweku Oteng the media house now? We must be taking care of the media house now. Kwabena on first we take care. Yeah, take it up.
It appears our work at disabling the EIB, GN Media, and the ongoing effort to do same with multimedia won't be the end of the struggle. The increasing growth of Kweku Oteng's media brand must be troubling. Gabby and Kandapa have already met Nana on the way forward in stopping the growing dominance of the ABN. The National Security has since dispatched officials to do a thorough forensic audit on all the businesses of Kweku Oteng. In the event no adverse finding is discovered, we shall plant fake versions of these adonko products on the market. Hey,
Ghana formatting. Now, minima dear Kweku Oteng media minim the political affiliation, so MPP news, so I don't know. But according to report, Ocean Media House Sa enkrofo o madwen se o mbedi bone etia sa media houses no na wo hwe kwan o mede Kweku Oteng so fa so a for me na eja yem hihia kakra kire se afi Gabby Akufo any the national security minister ni hia president no ma fa dwene bone e wo papa mu to the extent say adonko bites no ye no o mu betwa fake e de gumegu nedwuma wo ye gu nedwuma ne kwa ye gu nu kwa. For whatever reason, I don't know. Yeah, to us.
We then have to use the same national security and FDA to arrest his production team in the full glare of the media. Like we did to his Angel natural capsules, using our boys at FDA, even in opposition. People will stop buying his adonko products, the major source of his wealth. Professor Adai has also been instructed by Kandapa to liaise with assigned national security operatives to spontaneously lock up almost all the ABM brands in the country. They are to accuse them of under-invoicing and cutting corners in payment of taxes. The broadcast companies would remain locked up for about 3 months. This plan will be enough to completely halt the seeming dominance of ABN.
Iranum, but me share ABN Kweku Oteng. I stand to be corrected though, but it looks as though or tilted towards the NPP. But minima de Kruntia, Gabby Akufo Kandapa will liaise up with national security operatives in a spontaneous lockup or lock. Nejuma. Now, woman lock here under the pretext of say under invoicing, no me to tro atono so. No me gune dwuma ne keke bone ben ene Kweku Oteng why MPP mpenimfo we led by President Adonko Akufo Addo and this Achim group who be da mudi bone munom bone mudware bone ya wo mu bone mu mote party wo bone mu mu ye wudifo moya enabrabafo, moya akohwifo, moya workers of iniquities, moya rascals, ragamuffins, crooks, thieves, and armed robbers. Yeah, go on.
Francis Oteng must be axed from Parliament. There is no doubt that one reason that will make our fight against Kweku Oteng is his daughter, who is the MP for Kwabena East.
Mate, Tiaho, Osede, Francisca Oteng must be axed from Parliament. I just say Ekuma axed. Kweku Oteng banwa or what Parliament ono ojira one mu ticket so enya MPP for ticket so. Now report me just say so mo fa kwan bi so no me dem omudi Ekuma no eyi ni free ho. We are some papa Kanye, yaw. And then you do be 3 no.
Nana nearly made her a deputy minister for youth and sports, largely due to her age and her father's influence until the BNI report on her got to him. She seems to be pitching camp with Alan and ignorantly playing the Ashanti card.
What? And don't quite a person you girl if you're Franciscan. Reason why it's one appointment na President Akufo Addo Edemano. Sa appointment in Sanka. Same way a open secret. A lot of mu MPP for na munim. Mu yenim guasefo wate. Mu hu basa despicable beings. One say girl way post and say na Akufo Addo Edemano no Gyamfi mano. Meanwhile, the excuses we be fife mu na say under the pretext of some secrets be need. Meanwhile, all because Irano tilted towards Alan Cash. Mo si mu ni mu guase. Amamoyefo ewudifo Encrassifo, Monte politics as here. Encrassifo, Namu whom in Kosro. We are so evil. You don't deserve to handle this country. I say, we are the forebearers of our political process. I'm telling you, you don't deserve. Say, we be really gone away as the forebearers of our political process. Time. We are encrassifo, Monte politics as here. That young lady, Bonebe no diam, Kweku Oteng, ye sikanko MPP adwuma, wanye bia mamo. Wanye bia mamo. So why? Why do you think Kweku Oteng deserve this thankless moment? This thankless moment, why? Ya Okoso.
She will work against Dr. Bawumia's bid after Nana. Although she lobbied for a deputy ministerial appointment, Nana only gave her the NYA board membership, just to stop her father from complaining about his token for the 2016 campaign. Sammy Uku, John Bwedu and Chamawuntumi have been tasked to ensure that she is contested and also loses the 2024 parliamentary primary of the party.
Folks, Mate, Etimame Francisca, se utie ya. A similar report makers will take care of you that said 2024 election will be lose. Any part so you say one year then, one match you boot for boot and any abobo medino. Ntiti haye, ya,
2024 primaries in one contested.
One ayo. Otito William ayo, ya, koswe.
In her stead, the current presiding member of Kwabena East, George Opong, soon to be a lawyer, or any other well-known Akufo Addo supporter must be assisted to take over the seat by hook or crook. All the appointments made to the Supreme Court, Court of Appeal, and some of the high courts in Ghana under our government was to promote the MPP agenda and to ensure our country never fails in the hands of the opposition.
Wow. After Ghana for a moment. And many appointments are President Akufo Addo. A year they call failure. Both Supreme and High Court, Appeals Court, Muhu. Said Nino, it was a calculated agenda and on modern Idiachano. Ghanaians.
Citizens may exercise popular participation in the administration of justice through the institution of public and customary tribunals and the jury and then assessor systems. The judiciary power of Ghana shall be vested in the judiciary. Accordingly, neither the president nor parliament nor any organ or agency of the president or parliament shall have or be given final judicial power. The recent decision to exclude the use of birth certificate to prove one's citizenship during the 2020 voter registration exercise is a clear example of the agenda to prevent so many people from registering for this year's election, especially in our opponent's stronghold. We had statistics to suggest the negative impact it would have had for us had we allowed it. All this was done to pave way for a resounding victory for the MPP and Annan in 2020 elections. It is important that we maintain the security we enjoy currently under the judicial system. It is imperative to observe that in recent times, most elections in Africa have been fraught with post-election legal challenges. Kenya, Ivory Coast, and Zimbabwe are few of these cases. As this becomes a norm, our experience of 2013 should never happen again. We should never be in this situation, and the lesson should teach us a lot. Occasionally, it can be discovered that the courts have been instrumental in shaping the democracy in Ghana, and the stakeholders are devotedly operating within the legal framework governing elections, despite logistical, law enforcement, and justice delivery challenges. We should, as lineage, be the winner in this. We have to make sure that even in the unlikely event that the NDC win the 2020 elections, that they do not get the chance to appoint more judges to the Supreme Court. Our control over the judiciary is important for our protection, even if we were to lose election. To prevent such unfortunate situation from occurring, we need to explore all legal avenues to protect our appointees within the judiciary system and find out ways to prevent any new government from making further appointment within the next 10 years at least. We must also re-strategize our campaign. We need to find ways to get majority of Ghanaians to be on our side. The Agyapong deal may initially create problems for us, but we would need good communicators, people with the legal brains to explain the issues to the general population, that the deal is in the national interest. While only the judiciary can exercise the judicial function, it is slow to resolve disputes.
3 cedi 27 pesos.
So 3 cedi 27 pesos.
Times 4
27.
Times 4.5.
4.5.
I was say
14 cedi 7 pesos.
Enti 1 liter Akufo Addo ne board dey chenwe. O si me nkama no tuma da ma dwane free NPP na me boxer pant mpo ne ka wa menko. Me mpabo aka wonti die. Me to we 3 cedi 27 pesos. Mbacha wutie me. 3 cedis 27 pesos. We and 9 ne fa Emma 14 cedi 715 pesos. Me boa. Ene sa?
They no correct.
Na se ne we there's some bottle that na me can be used to. We baku.
I hope say you are not referring to.
No. Me can say even John.
What's the way I say more to bottle?
I say sha tietia. Well, na we so so. And na we bo fuche we. Safe de what did the me can say na say.
It's your mama time na.
We 14 Ghana cedis. Wait.
And then
we 14 cedis 92 pesos. We. What's in my journey? But on your driver for your car system, we drew the other may you are no minion for. When you now see me, my main castle chrome way, my day, young MPP. Okay, and now send a wound I have bonny dinner po into a chassis. I will share suit. Ada say, I'm not suit. My shall wait an hour. I'm so bottom. When an hour say, Menum be a win. Yes, I'm with the ram na me ram. Oh, Nana. When you are an energy minister, and you say, ya bonny din to me as Antony. A one as a driver no friend and me, you know. Me a Kwabri, ni Missy Kweku say, of Rasono Maso, Kwabri East. Me mamma accommodate offensive north, Tia Chromia Runo. Bajawa, dear Nanyas Antony. Any typical filling station, Monsieur walk at the chair in the pool, one day running meat. Madame for look at the Chimicasa angel so, Timufu, mammy. Ada Madrinia. Oman na ye chichiri no. This is the time wa ye nyina ye nka no kre. Ye nwie ho. Okatachi ye nhwa ade bi. Car ye de ye adwuma saa enkitinkiti ya ye de bi ye taxi okuru we mu.
Uba yi ni ade.
Aha. Ube je di say na Hyundai Lentra 2011 model last year near turn of 25,000. Says only nebo.
Last year near 25,000.
35,000. And there. Now Omani Aji work campaign here take a mark for the Dr. Bawumia. Yaji work and be. Who did you and Yaji? And I was once saying Kwarabro. Who say why say?
Mama warning. I'm casting show. One more musro okrom han omusu.
Na magazo minka se suro me.
Etu ba betra manim ham the commandant of the airways.
Na minka se minka se suro me.
Che mama casting show. Wonwura ne ma.
Minso minka se suro me. Na mom on say obi sem kwara agro a do aye nanim sei.
Eye hwan ya.
Say wutitu ani achi na musa so asem kwara agro. Enti na wo hwe ahwe efri akomadan bankra ha and 170 Ghana cedis.
170.
Yes, ufri enkran koboko 300 cedis, 335 cedis. It depends on brand na ofro no. It one hwe ye na ofri boko na won kran ha. Oba boko a hu krom boko. Anu se mentra ho ma me nka ho asema de a madwe na afrem bibi. Na kronu de we mentram. Menya kromfo o. Menya kromfo ubusa. Yes, dollar CD rate. And no crowd na share mu bi abufu. Ya bobo economic management team di na me di ka o. Solid team no ka ho. Enti wantimi anya dollar yie na wo ton wei. Ne bo ade nche wei. Wo se me ntenam adai a me ya santini me ya MVP ni. Pepepe. Na no na me ka che madam for post bi.
Na this one am efone.
Na me ka che madam for post bi say. And na de wo da police vehicle mo. Ghana na etua. Ya be meka wo testing message na enche kura wo be wie wo service no so wo be ro watade na na me bo wo ro wie asatam kura no abo akokura na wo be to we 200 Ghana cedis o na wo be timase wo do say anopa bi o frame ka je me say asem na me kan na fe no wo timase na na dey ye dey kwai
yo wait for me ka say disinu so e na wo hwe no se wo nya subscribe ya Mr. Say over subscribe na wa like na afi wa share video no ama ofoforo so enye bi na wa hwe wo so betimi a kire wa den fa ye nsem wo nyina ho e wo comment box ni mo beti linka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.